Meaning of Herbert Hoover.
Herbert Hoover.
Herbert Hoover.
Herbert Hoover.
Herbert Hoover. Herbert Hoover was the 31st President of the United States, serving from 1929 to 1933. He was elected just before the beginning of the Great Depression, and his failure to effectively address the economic crisis led to widespread suffering and hardship. Hoover's policies of austerity and limited government intervention proved ineffective and unpopular, and he lost his re-election bid to Franklin D. Roosevelt. However, Hoover was also known for his humanitarian work, particularly in providing relief efforts during World War I and after the devastating 1927 Mississippi River flood.